It's the holiday time, guys, and guess what? Everybody's trying to figure out what is the best gift to give for their loved ones. Today I'm bringing you a quick product that I think you're going to love. I know you know someone who loves toys, whether they're a child or an adult, and I wanted to share with you this really cool drone that we got sent by a company called TechRC. This is a handheld drone, so just to give you an idea about size, this is the Samsung Galaxy A10e. So you can see it's not that big. In fact, also, it fits in the palm of my hand. Just to give you some context for size. When I first saw it, I thought it was a little bit bigger. But it's really cool. It's tiny, it's compact, and it flies pretty well. So to give you a little context for it, this is the remote. And you are able to control it directly with this little remote here. But you can also link your smartphone up with it by downloading their app. And you take this little adapter, just slide it here, and then you can take your phone, pop it in, and you can actually link up to the drone via Wi-Fi. The drone creates its own Wi-Fi signal, and you can see out of the camera on the front of the drone to record videos and pictures. So pretty cool. I love drones that have that camera functionality. And then also, you've got some really easy controls. Again, you can also control it independently of the remote. You can just download the app and have it running directly from your phone as well. So you've got two really cool options of how you're going to control it. I did a couple of tests with it, and I even did the test inside as well as outside. You'll know if a drone is good if you can fly it inside, because inside the space is a lot smaller, and so being able to control it and maneuver it in a tight space to me is one sign of a good product that has good control. So really easy. I was able to press this button for takeoff and quick landing, and you really just use these two to control it. So very smooth operation, and was able to learn it super quick. And I'm going to cut to the chase, guys. I want to hook you guys up with a couple of things. So if you guys like this drone and you think you want to get one for yourself or for a loved one for Christmas, we're going to have a 20% off discount code at the bottom of the video. Go to the description, click on that link, and look for our discount code. You're going to get 20% off. This drone does retail for $49.99. You'll get yours for $39.99 because that's 10% off, or excuse me, 20% off. And also, I'm going to hook up one of our lucky viewers to win one of these drones for themselves. So this could be your Christmas gift to yourself or your gift to someone else. Entry is going to be super easy. The first step was simply to watch this video all the way through, and guess what? We're already at the end, so that's awesome. Second thing is, I'm going to need you to like the video, make sure you're a subscriber, and leave a comment down below and let us know if you would give this as a gift or if you would keep this as a gift for yourself. We want to hear that below, and just tell us one thing you like about it as well. And we're going to pick a winner in 3 days. That's right. We want to make sure that we pick a winner before Christmas in the event you want to give this to someone. We'd like to hopefully get it to you before Christmas. So leave a comment down below and let us know who the gift would be for and one thing you like about it, and we're going to hook you up. Quick thank you to our partners at TechRC for sending us this cool drone and the extra one to share with you guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Take care and have a good one.